Hello Sparkles, I have an idea that I am going to share with you. I hope you like this. You don't have to spend any money for this project. In this video, I am going to show you how to turn your hole punch machine into a cute picture frame or a motivational quotation art to decorate your desk area. This is so easy and so personalized. I think this is perfect for small room or drum room which do not have enough space. I have very small desk area and I have big hole punch machine, so I decided to convert this picture frame and also can use as a paper hole machine. This project, first you have to choose a background paper, any color of your choice can work good. Let's get started. Take your hole punch machine and trace its bottom part on a background paper. Using this black construction paper, but you can use any paper, any color. I'm just rounding the corner of the paper. Print out this border pattern to write my quotation in middle. This quotation say, knowledge is a power and power is corrupt, so study hard and be able. Or you can print out some quotation from internet and can also use that if you don't want to write your own quotation. I make this little heart from left construction paper, sticking together for extra cute look. Or you don't want to add any quotation, you can use a picture of yours and also do the same thing we done before. This is very important. First measure your background paper, then choose size of your photo and your quotation, whatever you like. Your photo or quotation must be smaller than your background paper. Go ahead for your final step. Glue on your back of background paper. Personally, I felt white glue worked better than glue stick, so use white glue. Finally, stick to your hole punch machine. Press it well. Voila, we are done. Without spending any money, we can get this cute room decor or desk decor. Hope you like this DIY project. Subscribe to my channel for more fun DIY videos and stay tuned with me. Love you. Bye.